Welcome to Lucentia Residence by EAS Maju. Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to take you on a little virtual tour of an amazing hotel right in the heart of Kuala Lumpur. This place is seriously a gem, and I can't wait to share all the details. Oh, and before I forget, there's a QR code on the screen right now. Scan it to find out more and even book your stay. So, we're talking about Lucentia Residence, and let me tell you, it's the perfect spot for anyone wanting a luxurious and convenient base for exploring Kuala Lumpur. The design is super modern, super stylish, but at the same time, it has this wonderfully warm and inviting atmosphere. You instantly feel at home the moment you walk in. And the location? Unbeatable. You're basically moments away from the city's coolest attractions, the best shopping, and all the incredible food that KL has to offer. It's truly a dream come true for any traveler. Now, let's talk about what makes Lucentia Residence so special. Well, first off, they really focus on making your stay as comfortable and easy as possible. Check-in starts at 2 p.m., so you can relax and unwind right after your travels. Plus, they give you a generous checkout time of 12 p.m., so you can enjoy a lazy morning before you head out. And families, listen up. This place is incredibly family-friendly. Kids aged 0 to 17 stay absolutely free. How awesome is that? That's definitely a huge plus when you're traveling with your loved ones. And guess what? There's also parking, super speedy express check-in, and of course, free Wi-Fi. They also have a hot tub. Imagine soaking those tired muscles after a long day of exploring. It's pure bliss. So, are you ready to experience the perfect blend of luxury and convenience in Kuala Lumpur? Lucentia Residence by EAS Maju is waiting for you. Don't forget to check out that QR code on the screen to book your stay and start planning your amazing adventure. Trust me, you won't regret it.